Hi everyone and welcome. Sometimes when I don't have my recipe book with me or I don't want to weigh any ingredients, I make a cake using a recipe which can be remembered by heart and adjusted depending on the baking tray I will use or how much of the cake I want to make. The recipe is simple. To make the batter, we're using 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of flour per each egg. Today let's make a strawberry roll cake using this recipe as the basis and filling it with sweetened whipped cream and fresh strawberries. To start, let's put parchment paper in a baking tray and grease it with some oil. Set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the sponge cake for the roll, let's use 5 eggs. First, we need to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites in 2 separate bowls and put the egg whites aside for now. Now we will add 5 tablespoons of sugar to the egg yolks and beat them with an electric mixer till they're light and fluffy. Let's sift in 5 tablespoons of flour and mix the flour in using a spoon. And let's grate and mix in some lemon peel too. Now let's add a pinch of salt to the egg whites and beat them with an electric mixer till the egg whites are stiff. Gradually and gently, let's fold in approximately 1/3 of the egg whites in the batter. Then another third and the remaining egg whites. We have a full bowl of ready batter now. Let's pour the batter in the baking tray and level it into a rectangle. It's time to put it in the oven and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes till the cake is slightly brown. In the meanwhile, let's put a clean towel on the kitchen countertop and a grid or mat to put the hot baking tray on. Let's remove the cake from the oven and with the help of the parchment paper, pull it on the towel. Now, let's gently and carefully roll the cake together with the parchment paper. And cover it a bit with the towel to hold the roll. Let's leave the roll to cool. Now let's wash and cut about 200 grams of strawberries in small pieces so that it's easier to roll them in and we have more strawberries in the filling. Let's pour about 150 milliliters whipping cream in a bowl. Add about 4 tablespoons of sugar to it, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and beat it with an electric mixer till it's creamy. Gently mix about 100 grams of ricotta or small curd cottage cheese in the whipped cream. The filling is ready and the cake is cooled, so we gently unroll the cake and separate it from the parchment paper. Let's spread the whipped cream mix on it, leaving a few centimeters at the end of the cake without the cream, as we will push it there while rolling the cake. Let's spread the strawberries in a layer on top of the cake and gently roll it again. Let's wrap the strawberry sponge roll in the same parchment paper and towel. Put it on a cutting board and put in the fridge for at least a few hours to allow it to soak up the flavors and hold together before cutting it. Now we can remove the cake from the fridge, unwrap it, sprinkle it with some powdered sugar, decorate if you wish, and enjoy. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy the strawberry cake and see you next week. Bye!